What's up, YouTube? It's Olivia Nita, and I'm back with another video, y'all. Today, we are going to be doing a Shein Try On, and my sister is gonna be rating it for us today. And y'all can rate it too. Make sure y'all comment down below what y'all thought. What was y'all favorite piece? Which one was the least favorite? Whatever. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and comment, y'all. And that's what we're gonna be doing today, y'all. We finna get into this video.
Let me redo that.
Shut up. What you think? Like these fucking clothes.
I like it.
I ain't gonna lie.
They look.
I wish I would have got these in one little extra size. One extra size.
You gonna
bigger.
be able to hear yourself.
There go Annie coming through. Annie coming through. Annie.
And what shoes you gonna wear with that? I like the shirt.
So just any cute little sandals. What do you rate the shirt?
I like the shirt because I give a shirt a 5.
Damn, a 5?
Or a 7. 5 to 7. Only because of this. This is fucking it up. It should have had like a little tighter piece around here.
Oh yeah, to kind of like
cuffing it.
No, right? I need that motherfucker looking like this.
It don't go no tighter than that.
Yeah, I can. What you rate the shorts? I know I'm gonna get hot in these shorts. That's what these shorts feel like.
I always want some leather pants, and I'm gonna give me some because I found me some, so I give them an 8.
She give the shorts an 8. 2 y'all. I had to really do the shirt right so she could see how that mug really gonna look on your girl. So what you think? Okay, this right here I do not like. I would say that myself.
Why? It look like a thong.
Bitch, cause I'm not about to be wearing that right there. I'm gonna cut that off.
Don't cut
now
it off.
we can make
Wear it a little bit lower.
We can make it
look lower.
If we can make this tighter, cause y'all these pants keep falling down.
That's the only thing. That's why it's getting us.
But y'all, what you rate the pants? But I know the pants are 10, cause she said she wanted some pants, and look, I got a little tighter thing.
Then you're gonna be walking on your pants.
No,
Pull them up as far as you can.
I'm got some shoes on. So what you think?
Bend over.
Bend over. So what you think? What you get the pants?
This throws it off.
I'm cutting this shit off, y'all. These pants is a vibe. They just need to be more tighter. Cause they fit perfectly, like, and I still got room to drop it like that. Some sweatpants you can't do that in. You gotta drop it right there and stop. What you think about the shirt?
7.
Okay. And what about the pants? 8. Alright. You like this? It's just a cute little plain. And the material feels good.
I like the shirt because it's black. I give it a 9. No, I give it an 8. It ain't no V-neck. It's gonna bother your neck.
It ain't gonna bother my neck, but this is perfect.
I don't like
What you give it? 8.
A 9.
I'm running. Alright, this is the next one. No cap, cause it ain't no cap in my rap. No cap, cause it ain't no cap in my rap. No cap, hey, cause it ain't no. What you think? I do need a band on the side of these pants. I'm gonna ask my mama, can she? Cause y'all look, if these hoes fit like that, y'all can't tell me, look. Feel it. Feel it. Let me ball it for her. Come on, what you
What
giving?
pants you put with it?
Some shorts, shit. Some orange pants, some red pants. If I wanted to just like, I wear these sweatpants with it, tied up. It's a lot you can do with it.
No, how would you feel if you was wearing them when you got cold? Now they're cute though. I just don't have to. I wish it was.
So what you get a shirt?
9, dang.
Let's go. I should have got this shirt in extra large, but it'll be alright.
Why I keep coming up?
The back, like, I don't know.
Them other shirts were shorter than that.
I know if I just like, real quick, real quick, yeah. What you get me?
I said 10.
Period, because it's plain and white shirt. This shirt is super, super cute. I couldn't resist.
Bitch, I hope you
had
don't
to
burn
get
me
it.
color the other shirt.
You rated the other shirt or 9? I think, or 8, one of them. So what you think? Tired up, do something with it. What you think? What you think?
What's your face right here?
What do you think? She playing. Let me let them see. Y'all see the vibes. You see the vibes. Tag, you're it.
9.
She said a 9.
You wearing it?
And I'm wearing this to what?
Here we go. No,
I'm not wearing this. But what y'all think?
I like it. It's like loose and tight at the same time.
It's the perfect fit.
Bend over.
Bend over, make it up.
Oh, it don't come up all up.
It don't come out up at all because I got it in the perfect size. What you think?
I'll give it a 10.
So she gave it a 10. What y'all rated? I like it. I rated a 1,000. I rated a 1,000.
That's what you finna wear tonight.
No, I'm not wearing this tonight.
You gonna let me wear it? What size is it?
My size.
Sucker.
Nah, but y'all, that was it. This is the last little piece I had. Whew. Y'all, let me know if y'all want to see more Shein try on hauls because I shop on Shein a lot. Y'all, make sure y'all comment down which outfit piece was your best one, was your favorite one. Follow me on all my social media. And I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Bye. Bye.
Porsche right. I don't need no ice.
Trade checks, I think we got one.
It's trap season, bro.